question number 141. In Periplaneta americana, which excretory yellow-colored thin filamentous structures are present at the junction of midgut and hindgut? Options are proventriculus, mesenteron, Malpighian tubules, hepatic CK. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, Malpighian tubules. There are 100 to 150 yellow-colored thin filamentous structures at the junction of midgut and hindgut known as Malpighian tubules. The very first option, proventriculus, is absent. Proventriculus is also known as gizzard. Second option is mesenteron. This is incorrect. Mesenteron is midgut, whereas proventriculus is gizzard. And the last option is hepatic CK, which is present at the junction of gizzard and midgut. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 142. With the help of several ommatidia, a cockroach receives several images of an object. The mosaic vision has A, sensitivity, but B, resolution. Choose the option that fills the blanks correctly. Now, this is given in your NCERT book also, that mosaic vision in cockroach has more sensitivity but less resolution. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1, with more sensitivity but less resolution. Option number 2, more and more, is incorrect. Option number 3, less and more, is incorrect. Option number 4, less and less, is also incorrect. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 143. If x-axis represents the concentration of substrate and y-axis represents rate of reaction, then choose the option that correctly depicts the graphs. In the very first column, the graphs given are with enzyme. In the second column, it is without enzymes. Now, in an enzymatic reaction, increase in substrate concentration increases the rate of reaction. So enzyme activity, which is also greatly influenced by substrate concentration, temperature and pH. The rise in velocity of the reaction is quite high in the beginning and then it reaches to Vmax, after which increase in substrate concentration will not increase the velocity of reaction further. So there would be a saturation point, and this saturation point could be seen in the graph given in the fourth option, the first column, with enzymes, that there is increase in the reaction velocity and then as it reaches Vmax or maximum velocity, it becomes saturated. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4, where x-axis represents the concentration of substrate, whereas y-axis represents the rate of reaction. And without enzyme, the graph could be represented as given in option 4. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 144. Match the secondary metabolites given in column 2 with their correct category in column 1. In column 1, the very first option is essential oils, and essential oil matches with the fourth option in column 2, that is lemongrass oil. So A matches with fourth option. The second option is terpenoids, and terpenoids matches with the third option in column 2, monoterpenes. So B matches with the third option. C option in column 1 is toxins. Abrin and ricin are toxins, so C goes with second option in column 2. And in the very first option, D option is lectins, that matches with concavalin A in column 2, so D matches with first option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, A with 4, B with 3, C with 2 and D with 1. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 145. Match the type of cells given in column 1 with their secretions given in column 2. In column 1, the very first option is beta cells of islet of Langerhans, and these cells are responsible for the secretion of hormone insulin. So A in column 1 matches with the fourth option in column 2. Peptic cells are present in gastric glands and they are responsible for the secretion of pepsinogen enzyme. So B in column 1 matches with the third option in column 2. C are auxantic cells and they are responsible for the secretion of HCl as well as intrinsic factor known as Cassell's intrinsic factor. And so C in column 1 matches with the second option in column 2. The last option in column 1 is goblet cells responsible for the secretion of mucus. So D, goblet cells also known as mucous neck cells, matches with the first option in column 1, mucus. So choose the option with all correct match, and the correct option is option number 4, A with 4, B with 3, C with 2 and D with 1. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question.